Hi, this is Yiqun Gui here to talk about the way to explore the Milky Way by using 21 cm radio, which is the name of my research paper. And let's do a short introduction. We all know that there are many strides made in the study of Milky Way and astronomy, but some problems are still unresolved. For example, the distribution of matter, the dynamics of the spiral structure, the evolutionary process of the Milky Way, and the obscuring effect of the interstellar dust. And let's talk about some prevalent astronomical observation approaches. Generally, we can divide astronomy into these three different types. The first one is optical astronomy, which is relying on the human's eye's sensitivity. And the second one is infrared astronomy, that scientists will observe radiation with wavelengths longer than visible light, but shorter than radio waves. And the last one is radio astronomy, which is a technique that researchers currently focus on, and they use to explore Milky Way. They focus on the detection of radio waves emitted by celestial entities. For example, by using this technique, they detect cosmic microwave background radiation. And let's talk about the categorization of telescopes. Just like the ways that I mentioned to explore the space, there are three different types of telescopes, which is related to the approaches. The first one is optical, which is to observe visible lights emitted by celestial objects, which is we just mentioned. And the second one is infrared telescopes. It's to detect infrared radiation. And the last one is radio. It's by using radio telescopes to capture radio waves and do some data analysis. And let's do an overview of radio telescope. As you can see in these two photos, radio telescope designs incorporate sizable parabolic dishes that gather and focus radio waves on a receiver. This is a receiver, and this is the parabolic dishes. That's because a larger dish will correlate with heightened resolution and sensitivity. And the next topic is core principles and significance of 21 cm radio astronomy. So this is one of the core principles, which is called Doppler effect, It's about the distance between the source of a wave and an observer. By researching on Doppler effect, scientists can know the apparent change in the frequency of waves, and it can be used in different aspects to explore Milky Way and space. For example, it can help detect gas cloud velocities and acquire critical data about the dynamics and kinematics of galaxies. And also it can observe remote galaxies as well as determine their recession velocities due to the universe's expansion. And next one is hyperfine transition of neutral hydrogen atoms, which is a way to map the distribution of hydrogen in the galaxies in terms of temperature, density, and velocity, and etc. That is, researching on this is very important because we all know that the distribution of hydrogen in the galaxy is very large. And here is the significance. So firstly, 21 centimeter radio astronomy can help delve into the universe's large-scale structure. For example, matter distribution, the cosmic web's formation, and it can also help examine the approach of reionization by tracing the formation and evolution of large-scale structures, for example, like galaxy clusters and cosmic filaments. And the next one is upcoming advancements. The first one is SKA. We all know that the full name of it is Square Kilometer Array, which is an ambitious international endeavor aiming to construct the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescope. It can help gain exceptional precision. And the second is about computer science related to machine learning and artificial intelligence methods. For example, scientists can use the computer to do data analysis, which is very important for the advanced development of 21 centimeter radio astronomy. And let's do a conclusion. As mentioned, that scientists can acquire an invaluable understanding of the galaxy's spiral configuration, material distribution, and the mechanism controlling its evolution by exploring more on 21 centimeter radio emissions originating from neutral hydrogen. And I think it's very important for us to increase the awareness of exploring on space and Milky Way, because we can not only learn more principles but also make an effort in human development. And these are some references that I mentioned in my research paper. Thank you very much for your listening.